Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to bass boost in DaVinci Resolve, adding bass to your tracks, DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and import the audio that you want to go ahead and add in a bass boost. So I have here a sample recording or a recording of mine that I have added that I want to add a bass boost. So for us to be able to go ahead and add a bass boost, so we're going to go ahead and hold this and drag this here onto the timeline. So once that one is added, you'll just have to simply click onto this. And if you've noticed here, onto the right side, there is a panel for editing. So if you're not seeing this, just simply click on inspector in here. So we'll have to scroll down and we could see equalizer. So this will work to all audios. So we'll just have to go ahead and test this one out. And then you could go ahead and try to make some changes as well onto your end to add in a bass boost. So let's go ahead and toggle on equalizer and scroll down since we have to turn on band 1 in here. So for bass boost, what you need to do is once you've enabled band 1, you need to go ahead and drag number 1 in here, lower down. And you need to make the other one higher just like this. So the wavelength should go ahead and look something like this to add in a bass boost. So you could go ahead and do a preview onto your audio. So you could adjust this as per your liking so that you could go ahead and achieve the bass that you're looking for onto your audio. So you can make the other one higher as well. And once you're satisfied with your audio, you could go ahead and export that. And that is how easy you could adjust or add in a bass boost in your DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.